Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What's in that McDonald's Shamrock Shake and how you can make a healthier one at home? A 16-ounce serving of the Shamrock Shake has 550 calories, 13 grams of fat, 8 grams of saturated fat, 1 gram of trans fat, 50 milligrams of cholesterol, 180 milligrams of sodium, no fiber, 82 grams of sugar and 13 grams of protein. 8 March 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A medium Shamrock Shake has approximately 78 grams of sugar, which is 2.5 times more sugar than the recommended amount of added sugar per day. Regardless, it's never wrong to indulge once in a while. Despite the Shamrock Shake's avid popularity, there are still some people who vehemently hate it. 17 March 2020.
Take our lead.
Here's what is in the Shamrock Shake. According to the McDonald's website, the shake consists of 3 components: vanilla reduced fat ice cream, Shamrock Shake syrup, and whipped light cream. 21 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Today the Shamrock Shake has 4 main ingredients: vanilla soft serve ice cream. McDonald's uses in all shakes Shamrock Shake syrup, which contains dyes and artificial flavoring, whipped cream and a maraschino cherry. It may be delicious, but it probably shouldn't be consumed every day. 16 March 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.